Hello, children. How are you? Hope you must be fine and taking good care of yourself. I am Mrs. Pallavi Doshi and I'm your mother teacher of senior KG class. Okay, children. So, welcome all the parents and children, all of my students, lovely students, to this class, day 6, session 4 for the home school play and learning connection. So, let's start with the welcome song. Yes. So, are you ready, children? Yes. Get ready. Fast. Come on. Hi, hello, and how do you do? PJK welcomes you. Hi, hello, and how do you do? PJK welcomes you. This is the way we sing and play and learn new things each day. Hi, hello, and how do you do? PJK welcomes you. Work and roll and learn new things and make new friends. The fun will never end. Hi, hello, and how do you do? PJK welcomes you. Hi, hello, and how do you do? PJK welcomes you. So, welcome, parents, and all my lovely, cute, wonderful, energetic, active, sweet little champs of senior KG. And I'm Mrs. Pallavi Doshi, mother teacher of this superb class, for which I'm really proud of. I would like to congratulate all my students and of course all their parents for supporting me and also doing all the activities so energetically. Hip hip hooray to senior KG class students. Yay, well done. So now let's begin with our day 6 and you can see the special skill of the day. So we begin with the daily routine of ours, that is the special skill of the day. S stands for special skill of the day, E stands for everything about day, date and month, and W for the weather of the day. So what is the special skill of the day for today? To collect all the used dishes and put them to the washing place. It is as simple as that. So what you all have to do, children, you have to collect all the plates after you have your lunch or dinner. Okay, and then you have to collect your plates and you have to put them for washing. You have to help your parents in doing so. Don't forget to wash your hands with the soap, okay, for 20 seconds. Okay, apply the soap for 20 seconds and then wash your hands properly before and after you have your lunch, okay, or dinner, whatever it is. And then after washing with the water, you have to wipe it with a clean napkin, right, children? So this is the special skill of the day. The next one is E, which stands for everything to do with day, date and month of the year. So which month is going on? It is August month. August. You can see here on the blue row here, blue color. Okay, August, and the year is 2020. That's right. So there are 31 days in August month, and there are 7 days in a week. Okay, children. So let's go for the W, that is weather for the day. And how is the weather today, children? Look outside the window and tell your parents about the weather for the day. Don't forget, parents, to click the video of your child and do please send it to me. The next one is the days of the week, and we are going to recite, okay, by my turn and your turn, okay, technique. So let's start. Children, are you ready? Please stand up on your place. Yes, we stand it, and then we will recite the days of the week. Let's start. Sunday, say it. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. That's right, children. So let's sing the song of days of the week. You remember that? Yes, we have learned in session 2 itself, isn't it? So let's start. Every week has 7 days, starting from Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Monday and Tuesday. Did you brush your teeth today? Wednesday and Thursday. Did you wash your face today? Friday and Saturday. Eat your meals every day. We come again to Sunday and then we go day by day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, Friday and Saturday, and then back to Sunday. So I know this rhyme is favorite of yours, all my children, okay, and you enjoy this rhyme. So let's move for the next activity, and the next one is rhyme session. And rhyme for the today, first rhyme for the day is, uh, yes, let's start. A deer, a female deer, with a drop of golden sun. Me, a name I call myself, far a long, long way to run. Saw a needle pulling thread, la a note to follow song. Tea, a drink with jam and bread, that will bring us back to dawn. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, so, do. So children, you must have loved this rhyme. It's favorite of mine. Yes, you must have also loved it. So let's go for the next one. And the next rhyme for today is Hindi rhyme Lakdi Katti. So let's start. Are you ready, children? Yes. Show me your thumb. Good. Lakdi Katti Kat Kat Kat. Lakdi Katti Kat Kat Kat. Keele Tukte Thak Thak Thak. Keele Tukte Thak Thak Thak. Roti pakti pat pat pat. Roti pakti pat pat pat. Motor chalti fat fat fat. Motor chalti fat fat fat. So children, you must have enjoyed this rhyme too. So let's move for the next rhyme. And the next rhyme is, let's begin. So the next rhyme is Miss Molly had a dolly. Children enjoy? Yes, come on. Miss Molly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. So she phoned for the doctor to be quick, quick, quick. The doctor came with his bag and his hat, and he knocked at the door with a rat tat tat. Enjoy, children? Enjoying the music? The dolly and he shook his head and he said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. Bill, bill, bill. I'll be back on the morning with the bill, bill, bill. Yes, children, this is also a nice rhyme, isn't it? Miss Molly had a dolly. One more time we will do, okay, without the music. Miss Molly had, yes, let's start. Miss Molly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. So she phoned for the doctor to be quick, quick, quick. The doctor came with his bag and his hat, and he knocked at the door with the rat tat tat. He looked at the dolly and he shook his head and he said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. He wrote out a paper for a bill, 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 bill. I'll be back in the morning with the bill, bill, bill. So children, we have completed this rhyme too. Next one is 10 little firemen. So children, get ready. 10 little firemen sleeping in a row. 10 little firemen sleeping in a row. Ding dong goes the bell, in a wing they go. Ding dong goes the bell, in a wing they go. Off to the engine, ho, ho, ho. Off to the engine, ho, ho, ho. Using a big pipe, so, so, so. Using a big pipe, so, so, so. When the fire is out, home they go. When the fire is out, home they go. Back to their bed, all in a row. Back to their bed, all in a row. So this is the next rhyme, road safety. These last two rhymes are the revision of session 2, and the first rhymes, 3 rhymes were the new rhymes of session 4. So let's begin. Road is not the place to play. Road is not the place to play. During the night, during the day, during the night, during the day. Cars and buses come and go. Cars and buses come and go. Some are fast, some are slow. Some are fast, some are slow. Right, right and left you must see and go. Right and left you must see and go. And cross the zebra crossing so. And cross the zebra crossing so. Never throw litter on the road and always follow the traffic code. You can see here the traffic signals, okay, with the red, green and yellow lights, okay, and the child is crossing with his mama, okay, holding the hand on the zebra crossing only, and his mama is telling him not to play the, yes, okay, the video game, or sorry, the mobile game, okay, and he has to look at the right and left side, okay, both the sides of the road while crossing the road. We should not play on the road, can not to throw the litter on the road. These are the safety rules which we have to follow, okay, while we are on the road. So let's begin for the numeracy sequencing of numbers from 1 to 100, and we are going to recite, this is a chart, okay, and we are going to recite from 0 till 100. So children, are you ready? Yes. So before we start, we are going to do some exercises, okay, body movements, okay. So let's start. So take your hand, make fist and put it in your front like this, okay, you can see, yes, just a moment. Yes, and now twist your wrist, okay, anti-clockwise and clockwise both ways, okay, children, and do it both ways three times. One, two, three, and one, two, three. That's right, good children. Okay, now take your head on your right side and your left side. Come on, do it. One, two, one. Do it slowly, children. Two. One, two. That's right. Very good. Now take your shoulders and turn around. Put your hand on the shoulders, fingers on the shoulders and turn around. Anti-clockwise, clockwise, both ways you do it three times. And then now we are warmed up and we are going to start our recitation from 0 to 100 of numbers. Okay, so let's begin. Yes, how we do 0? 0 and 2 times clapping and 3 times tapping on the shoulders. Okay, children? So let's begin. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Superb children, very nice. You have done very nicely. Good. So that day we had heard the story. I have told you the story of Rahul. And what did he do? He sowed the seeds in the pot. So you can see here, he had read the book and he had sowed the seeds in the pot. He had taken a pot and put the soil in it. Okay, 3/4 of the pot was filled with soil, and then he put the seeds in it and then covered it with soil again. And then what did he do? Then he watered the, yes, watered the plants. So you have to give the sequence now. So this is the one, this is the second number, yes, and this is the watering of the plants, 3, and this is 4 number, that is the plant grows up. So you have to do the sequencing. You have to write here 1, then 2, then 3 and 4. So let's begin. Let's start, children. This is 1. Okay. Then next one is this the second one? No, the plant has grown up. So that is the last one. Then this is the 2 number. Okay. These are the seeds in the packet and he is pouring the seeds in the pot. Now the girl is watering the plants. This is the third one, and the fourth one is, yes, that's right. So we have completed the sequencing of picture. Okay, sequencing of the seeds germination plant seeds germination. Okay, so let's go on for the next one. Yes, so we have completed this one. Let's proceed. Now, what is there here? Nothing is there. So, say the 3 magical words, children. Abracadabra, gilly gilly, chew. And what you can see here? Yes, we have now given the sequence and we will check it that if it is right or wrong. So, yes, we have given this picture 1 number, isn't it? Correct. The next one is, yes, that's right. We have given the same thing. Third one is watering the seeds. And then the plant grows. So first one is soil and then putting the seeds in the soil, then watering it and keeping it in the sunlight, and with the help of the sunlight and water, okay, and air, the plant grows up. Yes, that's right. So we have completed this activity. Yes. So today we are going to learn about Hindi. Okay, we are going to take the Hindi class. So are you ready, children? Yes, let's begin. Let's recite now स्वर. चलो, कितने स्वर होते हैं बच्चों? 13 स्वर होते हैं. स्वर कितने होते हैं? 13 स्वर होते हैं. तो आइए हम इन्हें रिवीजन करें इनकी. अ से अनार, मेरे पीछे पीछे कहिए आप. अ से अनार. आ से आम. Now you are done. आ से आम. इ से इमली. इ से इमली. ई से ईख. ई से ईख. ऊ से उल्लू. ऊ से उल्लू. ऊ से ऊन. ऊ से ऊन. रू से ऋषि. रू से ऋषि. ए से एड़ी. ए से एड़ी. आई से ऐनक. आई से ऐनक. Yes, just a moment. ओ से ओढ़नी. ओ से ओढ़नी. औ से औरत. औ से औरत. अंग से अंगूर. अंग से अंगूर. आहा. So how many letters are there? कितने स्वर होते हैं? 13. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So total कितने हुए? 13. 1, 3 स्वर होते हैं. 13 स्वर होते हैं. अभी हम करेंगे रिवीजन किसकी? वर्णमाला की. वर्णमाला कितनी होती है? 36 लेटर्स की. कितनी कितनी होती है? 36. 36 अल्फाबेट्स होते हैं. तो पहले हम करेंगे स्वर की रिवीजन अगेन. अ अनार. अब मैं जहां एरो रखूंगी वही स्वर को आपको रिपीट करना है. अ अनार. मेरे साथ रिपीटेशन करेंगे आप. अ अनार. आ. ई. ई. ऊ. ऊ. रू. ए. आई. ओ. औ. अंग. आहा. अभी हमें क्या करना है? स्वरमाला पूरी करनी है. चलिए करते हैं इसे हम कंप्लीट. ये क्या है? पहला अक्षर कौन सा है? अ अनार. तो उसके बाद कौन सा होगा? आ आम. तो लिखिए यहाँ आ. स्लीपिंग लाइन, स्टैंडिंग लाइन, एंड देन अगेन स्लीपिंग लाइन. Write it neatly, children. A, a, एक One more standing line you forgot. E. रस्व ई, एक छोटी सी स्टैंडिंग लाइन कर्व लेके इसको इस तरह से स्लीपिंग लाइन. आ ई ऊ. अभी यहाँ कौन सा ऊ मिसिंग है? दीर्घ ऊ. यस, एंड ए स्लीपिंग लाइन. रू. ए आई, यहाँ आई मिसिंग है. एंड ए स्लीपिंग लाइन. ए आई ओ, ओढ़नी. राइट इट नीटली. औ अंग आहा. अभी कौन सा लास्ट अक्षर कौन सा है? आहा, विच इज द 13th वन. आहा, स्लीपिंग लाइन एंड दो डॉट्स देने हैं यहाँ. That's right. So we have completed our स्वरमाला. स्वर्णमाला पूरी कीजिए. स्वर के बाद हम सीखने वाले हैं व्यंजन. तो आइए सीखते हैं. पहला अक्षर वर्णमाला में है क. कमल. क कमल. क कबूतर. क कबूतर. क कलम. क कलम. अभी नेक्स्ट अक्षर है ख. खत. ख खत. ख खरगोश. ख खरगोश. ख खरबूज. ख खरबूज. नेक्स्ट है ग. गमला. ग गमला. ग गधा. ग गधा. ग गगन. ग गगन. नेक्स्ट अक्षर के ओर जाते हैं हम. घ घर. घ घर. घ घड़ी. घ घड़ी. घ घड़ा. घ घड़ा. यस, और ये कौन सा अक्षर है? इसे कहते हैं अंग. अंग. क ख ग घ अंग. बच्चों, ये जो अक्षर है अंग, ये इस अंग से कोई भी शब्द नहीं बनता. ओके, सो ग और अंग को अगर मिलाकर अगर शब्द बनाया जाए तो क्या बनता है? गंगा. तो लेकिन शब्द के ऊपर बिंदी रूप में जोड़ा जाता है. इसे हम अनुस्वार कहते हैं. जो ऊपर जो टिम्ब होता है उसे अनुस्वार कहते हैं. च छ. अभी नेक्स्ट अक्षर हम पढ़ेंगे. नेक्स्ट है च. चम्मच. च चम्मच. च चरखा. च चरखा. च चप्पल. अभी नेक्स्ट अक्षर छ. छत. छ छत. छ छतरी. छ छतरी. ज जग. ज जग. ज जहाज. ज जहाज. ज जलेबी. आपको पसंद है ना? ज जलेबी. झ झरना. झ झरना. झ झंडा. झ झंडा. और ये कौन सा अक्षर है? बताइए मुझे. य. इसको कहते हैं य. कहाँ गया एरो? य. ये आधा अनुस्वार यह अक्षर के ऊपर चंद्र बिंदी के रूप में लिखा जाता है. जैसे कि दा अधिक त. दा अधिक अंग. दा अधिक य अधिक त इज इक्वल टू दात. ओके. नेक्स्ट है ट. टमाटर. ट टमाटर. ट टमटम. ठ ठक ठक. ठ ठक ठक. ठ ठठेरा. ठ ठठेरा. ठ ठप्पा. ठ ठप्पा. ड डमरू. ड डमरू. ढ डफली. ढ ढफली. ढ ढक्कन. ढ ढक्कन. ण बाण. सो वी हैव लर्न टिल ण. आगे के अक्षर हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में पढ़ेंगे. एक बार फिर से रिवीजन हो जाए इसकी. आइए पढ़ते हैं। अभी इसको हम सीधे से पढ़ते जाएंगे। क ख ग घ। यस, द नेक्स्ट अक्षर इज अंग। क ख ग घ अंग। च छ ज झ। यस, य। ट ठ ड ढ ण। तो आगे के अक्षर हम बाद में पढ़ेंगे नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में। तो अब आइए, लेट्स बिगिन विद द फन विद गेम्स। एंड टुडे इज व्हाट नेम ऑफ द गेम? नेम ऑफ द गेम इज वर्कआउट विद मी। So you have to do workout with me, children. And are you ready for that? Let's begin. Children, fitness is very important. So let's do some exercise. I will do some exercise and you will follow me. Are you ready to do the exercise? Yes? Yes, very nice, children. So children, these are your shoulders, and raise your shoulders up, bring it down, raise it again, bring it down, raise it again, and bring it down. Now take your hands, make a fist and turn it, and then again turn it. Very good. Now wiggle your fingers. Good. Come on, bring it to your left and to your right. Yes, above and below. That's right. And now we are going to take your left hand, okay, and shut your fingers, bring it closer, make a fist and open. Close, open, close, open. Now take your right hand, again, close it, open, close it, open, close it, open. Very nice, children. Now we are going to play a game, okay? So this is your bread, okay? And this is your butter. So when I instruct you to take your bread and then put on the butter on it, okay? And how it is? Yummy. Okay, so let's do it. Bread, butter, yummy. Do it fast. Bread, butter, yummy, yummy. Come on, do it with me. Bread, butter, yummy. Bread, butter. Now apply butter more. You like butter, isn't it? Butter, butter, and butter. Yes, bread, keep a slice on it and eat it. Yes, that's right. You enjoyed the game? Yes, very nice. So this was the game for today. Work out with me, and then we played bread, butter, and yummy game. So this was today's activities. And before I end up, I will just tell you the activities which we are going to discuss in parent and teachers interaction meet. But I want to talk to the my students also that what all activities we are going to do. So children, active exploration is there, and in this music and movement time it is there. So you have to listen to the music and have fun and create your dance and dance according to your own wish, okay? And encourage your parents to have fun with you. Don't forget to take the photograph with your parents, and please do send it to us. So the next one is role play, and today what you are going to do, you are going to play the game of laundry. So throw all the clothes in the washing machine, okay? Real or pretend it. If you want to do it real, do it. Let your child hang clothes on the clothes line, and also pretend to iron the clothes. Don't do it real, okay? Just pretend to iron the clothes. So this is these are your activities of active exploration. And the child independent activity, drawing, that is the topic is handprint. Children take a blank sheet of paper and fold it half. In one side, place your right hand and trace it using crayons, okay? Your right hand. On other side, place your left hand and trace it using crayons. After you are done tracing, color your handprints, okay? So the next one is special chores. So today you will help your child. Parents, it is for you in collecting all the used dishes. This is a special skill of the day, and you are going to help parents to the children in doing so. Put them to the wash basin and encourage your child to wash the hands nicely with the soap and water once you have finished keeping all the dishes for washing, okay? So these were all activities of day 6. Parents and children, we have ended up the session, and children, bye bye and have a nice day. So thank you very much, children. You are such a nice and lovely, wonderful children, okay? And doing all the activities. I am really proud of my senior KG students. Thank you very much and have a nice day.